Time for a Lucy movie. Lucy, today we're having a history lesson. And who is Ben Franklin?
He's Ben Franklin.
Ben Franklin is Ben Franklin? That makes sense. Well, what is Ben Franklin?
I got something off my head.
He got something off your head?
I got something off my head.
Oh, you got something off your head. Well, who is Ben Franklin?
He's from the Mystery Rodeo.
The Mystery Rodeo? What?
He's from the Mystery Rodeo.
Oh, I think we're talking about different Ben Franklins here. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. All right, everybody. So in case you didn't know, Ben Franklin is from the Mystery Rodeo.
I'm from the Mystery Rodeo.
Just like Ben Franklin. Now the real mystery is, what are you talking about?
Ben Franklin.
Oh, of course.